Hey, Captain Carter. What's going on, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Good. You ready to do this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so stoked about today, man.
Should be a good morning.
Yeah, this is definitely a different style than what I'm used to, so let's get this show rolling.
All right, sounds good.
I met Carter maybe about 5 or 6 years ago through your dad, Les.
Yep.
And you were actually working at Pete's Pier at the time.
Yeah, I worked there all throughout high school.
Yeah, and then once you graduated, you turned 18, you got your captain's license?
Yep, I got my license pretty much right away after that, and I've been full-time guiding ever since.
Carter, man, I am super stoked about today. What do you have planned for us today?
I mean, first off, we're probably gonna try redfish first. We have a little bit of water right now. As that water gets out, we're gonna pretty much just catch everything that bites. Black drum, redfish, trout, everything will be kind of mixed together in these holes.
Okay. Yeah, because I know I looked at the tide myself, and I think negative tide was like a 1.06 or something like that. So we got a pretty good low tide today. And I know some people are kind of scared of the low tides, which I love low tide fishing because that water drops below the sea level and those fish just, congregate into those holes, and it's like fishing in a barrel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today.
Sweet. I'm so excited, man. I can't wait.
There's a bite. Yep.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Little guy.
First fish of the day.
First real one.
What, the stingray didn't count?
Little red. No, it did not. Pretty.
Once we got to the first spot, I believe you caught a redfish.
Yes.
It was a smaller
I
red.
believe so.
And then we caught, or I should say you caught, a couple trout.
Yep.
There's one. Is that a trout?
Looks like it. Got bigger.
Better one. They're getting there. Getting close.
Got yellow mouth.
Yeah. Pretty yellow mouth.
They're pretty fish.
Yeah, they are.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Staying down too. Let's see what we got here. Redfish.
Red.
Red. There we go. Look at that blue tail. Man, look at that fish. Look. When we went from one spot to the next spot, the tips of the grass was out of the water.
Yeah.
We're driving by, there's mud just flinging everywhere. You've got birds standing right there, almost completely out of the water.
This is how we're rigging them. I'm just pinching the tip of the tail off, and you kind of want to thread it on like you do a soft plastic. You go right there below the head, and then you'll pop the hook out and thread it on just like that. Come back. Got it. That's a good fish.
Yeah, that's a good fish. Grab the net.
Yeah, might not be a bad idea.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice black drum.
Look at that.
There we go.
There we go. Good job, Carter.
What are you talking about? Oh, nice drop. Pretty one there.
I run the mud boat this time of the year because we have super low tides. Of course, the water temperature drops super low. So all those fish that are out there on the outside during the summer, they push way back into the creeks and way back in the shallow water for the winter. So that mud boat's allowed, it allows me to run in 2 inches of water or less to be able to get back there when the tide's super low and fish those creeks and catch those fish when they're sitting in puddles.
Get out there.
Little drum.
Yep. Remember, you ever watched the Addictive Fishing show back in the days? Oh, Captain Blair Wiggins.
Oh yeah.
As he would say, black, baby.
There we go. Number 2.
Not that he's counting or anything.
Beautiful. Yep.
Oh. Got there.
Something big.
Yeah. But you caught a nice size black drum, which was a keeper size.
Yep.
In which they're part of the redfish family. They drum. They have darker
Another nice drum.
black lines. Some of them you can't see. Sometimes you can. It depends on the size of them, because when I believe, correct me if I'm wrong or not, but when they get bigger, those stripes kind of fade away.
Yeah, the stripes will fade and they'll start to get that gold color.
Yeah. Yeah, because I think the last one of the day that you caught that black drum was a really gold. It was a pretty.
Yeah, he was, I was kind of surprised that he was already completely out of his stripes. Most of the time when they're that, I mean, he was probably 23, 24 inches. Most of the time they still have a little bit of that stripe to him.
Yeah.
But he was completely, he looked like he should have been full grown.
Drum.
Number 3.
Yeah.
That's a good one there.
It's a beauty right there.
That's a good one.
I had a really good time out there today.
I'm glad. It was a good time. I mean, it's cool to experience and watch other people experience what I get to every day.
Yeah, even though you kicked my butt. But like I said earlier, though, it's rule of thumb: never outfished Capt.
Yep.
So I couldn't outfish you, man.